to be killed for the cause of Allah. I quoted you the hadith. لَوَدِدْتُ أَنْ أُقْتَلَ فِي سَبِيلِ اللَّهِ ثُمَّ أُحْيَا ثُمَّ أُقْتَلَ ثُمَّ أُحْيَا ثُمَّ أُقْتَلَ. I very much desire, very much wish, very much cherish that I should be killed in the cause of Allah. Then resurrected, and then again killed, and then resurrected, and again killed. And the Prophet had said, whosoever Muslim dies in a condition that he never went to war for the cause of Allah, and he didn't even have a desire in his heart, فَقَدْ مَاتَ عَلَى شُعْبَةٍ مِّنَ النِّفَاقِ. He has died not on Iman but on Nifaq. The desire should be there at least. Maybe that the occasion doesn't come in his life. So many Sahaba died before, this the series of wars or battles started. They died. But they should have in their hearts the desire to be killed for the cause of Allah. Whosoever dies, lam yaghzu, he never went to any ghazwa, any war for the cause of Allah. Walam yuhaddis nafsahu lidhalik, nor he had any desire in his heart to that end. He has died not as a mu'min but as a munafiq. فَقَدْ مَاتَ عَلَى شُعْبَةٍ مِّنَ النِّفَاقِ.